So last video we have discussed about holes and hole types, so but we forgot to discuss about the threads there. So this is the continuation of that video. So let's look at this. So I have a holes here, for example I have a holes here, and in that holes I want to add a thread. So how can I do that? So here you can see the thread definition option. So when you are creating a hole, click on the hole option, select the surface where you want to put the hole. So it has a third tab, the thread definition tab. So enable this thread, so you will have the thread now. Now you have to choose the thread dimensions. So see, so thread definition is about what you want. So metric thin or thick, so it will adjust the dimensions according to that thread also. So this is how the thread depth and the thread pitch that you can give like this. So all the parameters of the thread that you can control from here. So this is how the threads will works in Catia. And there is one more feature also there for giving the threads. So here you can see the thread or tab option. So for this you can even give the external threads also. So in the whole tab you can only give the threads in the internal threads only, but here the thread you can give the external threads also. But for that I'm just making one sketch. Let's making a one shaft here. Okay, see, now use the thread or tab definition, select this body. That's it, you can use the thread now. So if you want, so I know that if hope you know about the thread and tab difference. Thread is outer thread, and if the tab means it is existed inside of a hole, that means it is an internal thread. See, you can see the diagrams here. So now the limit phase. So if you are applying the thread on external surface, so it is asking for a thread surface and a limit surface. See, so limit from where it is, the distance is constant. Thread diameter is, you can choose the standards, metric thin or thick. So no standard, so that means so our shaft is not a particular standards, that's why it is giving the message like that. And the thread depth, click on OK. That's it. So now this has the threads, but they are not displaying. So this is can be displayed when you are drafting. So these are like a cosmetic threads only, these are not real threads. If you give the thread here means you can definitely find it in the drafting, or else you won't find it. So that is for this video guys, that's for this about threads. So if you find anything helpful in this video, please do subscribe to our channel.